In January 1981, during a brutal Pennsylvania blizzard, 29-year-old Lonnie Rogers vanished. She was profoundly deaf, a devoted mother of two, and she never came home. After an argument with her husband, Lonnie was reportedly seen inside her home late that night. By morning, she was gone. But here's what makes this chilling. Lonnie left behind her hearing aids, her glasses, her purse, her car, even her coat, in a snowstorm. The only thing missing, a king-size pink blanket. Lonnie has never been seen or heard from again. No sightings, no DNA matches, no answers for more than 40 years. Did she walk into the storm, or did someone make sure she could never come back home? Someone knows what happened to Lonnie Rogers.